sun is still rising here, and we are going to be heading into recycling this morning. And also Nick is going to be making an awesome pair of custom XCS skis. So we wanted to get in early and show you guys how those are made, and you can meet the artist behind the scenes who makes our custom skis. So I'm here with Nick in the mold shop today. This is the artist behind the scenes of your CNA Pro specialty skis. What are we making today, Nick?
Today we're going to make a XCS specialty CNA Pro ski. It's going to have red with black inlay.
Awesome. Stay tuned and watch as we work.
Today we're going to start out doing the XCS specialty, and I do a black inlay. So I start with a black base of our black resin and then we do a red normal base color, and then I will sprinkle black back on top of the red to make our specialty swirls.
Sit in there, and this is UHMW. So this is the same material that is used in like armor plating. It's a really tough plastic. And then what are you doing now?
Putting in the red base. And I level it out. Add in the black inlay.
And how many colors can you do, Nick?
I've done up to 3 inlays depending on what the customer wants, plus the normal base color.
And now he's getting ready to do the other ski.
Now I have everything in the mold properly, and I start the press, and it's going to heat it up, form it, and cool it down into the specialty ski. Alright, our XCS specialty skis are all done, so we'll see how they turned out.
So what's the next step here?
The next step is to trim all the excess flashing and get them cleaned up and ready to ship out.
Wow, those turned out really nice. What do you think, Nick?
Oh, the skis turned out beautiful. Nice red and black inlay, so they should be ready to go.
All right, so the next step then is we take them over to Kent, and then he stickers them, and then he's going to put the handles on them, and then ship them out the door to one very lucky rider.
Yep.
All right, nice job. Those are beautiful.
Thank you.
Mallory's going to put the handle on. You can see why it's a little challenging to change out ski handles, and why we recommend using a ratchet strap, because we have a special device to put the handles on in the first place. Mallory, which hole are you putting the bolt in?
The middle one.
And that's just basically your typical riding style. So you might put it in the first hole there for drag racing, or the back hole for mountain riding and deep powder.
Got a custom pair of XCSs ready to go out the door.
For more information on the products shown in this video, click on the link in the description box below. feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe.